The Man and the Fox. Long ago, in a certain village, there lived a bad fox who occasionally came out and did some mischief. In the same village lived a proud man who always boasted, "No fox can ever disguise himself to me." One day, when the man was going home, he saw a fox on the sandbar of the river. The fox put broad magnolia leaves on his head and turned himself into a woman. Then she pulled duckweed from the river, rolled it up into the shape of a baby, and held it in her arms. The man saw everything and became furious. "You dirty beast! You're trying to befool me, aren't you? All right, just see what happens." He picked up a huge stone from the side of the road and threw it at the child, hitting it on the head and killing it with the single shot. The mother cried and fumed. "Give me back my child the way it was." "Why? Are you not a fox?" he retorted. Tricked into becoming a priest. The woman became angrier and she would not be pacified. The man waited for a long time, but she did not turn into a fox again. He was finally convinced that he had done a shameful task. Although he apologized to her until he ran out of words, she couldn't be convinced to forgive him so easily. "Then if nothing else does, I'll become a priest to redeem for this," said the man. Both of them went to a temple nearby, where he explained everything to the priest and got his head shaved. When the priest shaved his head, it hurt him so much that he came back to his senses and looked around. The woman and her child had disappeared. Moreover, there was neither the priest nor the temple. The man's hair, which he thought had been shaved off, was actually chewed off by a fox. Shibemon Badger. Once upon a time, Hage Badger of Ava came to meet Shibemon Badger and suggested him that they should compare their abilities to disguise themselves. Shibemon agreed and crossed the sea to Ava province. To begin with, Hage Badger displayed a disguise which looked like the feudal lord of Ava crossing the sea. There were many ships and steamers lined up in assortment. One could see all kinds of banners flying in the wind. The voices of sailors could be heard singing on the state barge. Shibemon admired him a lot. "I have never seen such a clever disguise before. In return, I want to show you the illusion of a feudal lord's pageant. On a certain day before noon, go to the beach at Maiko and look on from the top of that pine tree. In a few days, Hage Badger crossed over to Banshu. He climbed up the pine tree on the beach at Maiko and waited. Shibemon Badger befools Hedge Badger. After a while, a feudal pageant came from the west. There were innumerable feather-adorned lances upraised, and with the sword, "Down on your knees, down on your knees." The horses and sedan chairs were glittered with ornaments. The samurai looked brutal. Hedge Badger was totally carried away with admiration. Without a moment's thought, he raised his hands up in the pine tree and started clapping. He said, "Impressive, Lord Shibemon. It is exactly like the real pageant." The admiration of Hedge Badger was not without a reason. It actually was a real feudal lord's pageant. Shibemon had known of the tour beforehand and exhibited it to Hedge Badger. The samurai in the pageant discovered Hedge Badger and exclaimed, "Look, a badger is jeering at us from a high place like that." They called him ill-mannered. They quickly rushed towards him and brought him down with their lances. The renowned Hedge Badger of Shikoku was thus befooled by Shibemon Badger and died.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.